Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Yura, Donnie at Belle as Star Patroller sa TV Patrol. Dikit na dikit ang lovers. Donnie always wanting for Belle to hold his arm. Second time as a Star Patroller. And the visual, sobrang ganda at ang gwapo.